What up, guys? It's the newest Pokemon collector. As you can see, I got some random little packages from the local Rite Aid that I'm gonna open up before I go into opening up the Evolving Skies. I got another bundle box here, but we're gonna go into that later. We're gonna open up the Evolving Skies first, which is one of the worst pull rate booster boxes out. So let's go into that after we go into these two $6 little random Rite Aid um, little packages. They're like from the 2012 year, and they're just 20 cards with one foil card. So, with that, you got the potential for older model, first or second generation Pokemon Holo card that could be worth a lot, and that's the reason why I buy these. But let's go in and see what they got. Oh, liking what I'm seeing right off the rip. Let me get my light on. Sorry about that, guys. So right there we got Eradicate Hollow. Not bad. Team Yo Tower. Rusted Shield. Ball Guy. Fire Energy. Couple of energies. Just go through those real quick. Turtwig. Trapinch. So I'm just gonna scroll through those real quick. Let's do a quick fast forward. There's no more hollows in there, but as you can see, first generation. We got the holographic Raticate out of that foil, out of that one pack. So not bad, not bad. Let's put those to the side. Let's open up the next one. So this is the second pack, little $6 mystery packs at Rite Aid. I don't know if it's just at my local Rite Aid or if you can get it at yours, but you should go check them out. This one, it don't look like nothing major. Holographic Eevee. That's what it looks like. It's going to be in that one. Not bad. So we're just going to do a quick scroll through these. Not bad. So that's the second $6 mystery box. And there you go. You got the holographic Eevee right there. First edition. So who knows? These cards might actually really be worth a lot. We'll go check them out and check with the local buyers and see what they want. See what it's charging for. Alright, so I'll put all these up. And let's go into the booster box of Evolving Skies, y'all. So let's just take a 360 view of this. Let me give you the backup view. And I got this from Walmart at $50, man, last week. They had a nice little deal going on these, and I was able to get it for $50 at Walmart. Alright, so let's go in. I don't know how many I'm going to open today, but I'm on a roll, so I might open a few. Let me get this plastic all the way off. Hold on. Let's get that plastic off. Oh yeah. And there we go. 36 packs, man, for $50. And as you can see, already that look hefty. So that's just half of them. Shout outs to Walmart for whatever deal they had going on when they was offering these for that low rate. I'm gonna open up. I want to say 10 today. So let's go in and see what the 10 gives us. Alright, so we got 10 booster packs to be opening today from the Evolving Skies, which is one of the worst pull rate booster boxes. I think that's probably why they had it on sale. Let's go in and see. So this is pack 1. Make sure you guys stay tuned, man. I'm gonna be doing another giveaway as well on the channel. Oh, we got a Leafeon V. This is not hollow. But let's see. Oh, there we go. There's our hollow right there. The Fusion Mall. So we got the Fusion Mall hollow. We got a Leafeon V that, I don't know, man. This one don't even seem like it's real. Got me kind of wondering about Walmart right now. But yeah, there we go. The non-hollow Leafeon V, which is mysterious. But alright. We got that Fusion Mall trainer. Alright, we're gonna go into the next one. Evolving Skies. Alright, so let's see. It looks like they have the hollow already kind of flipped around for us. Let's see. Not bad. But we'll still go through the pack and see what it gave us. And these non-hollow V cards are kind of making me wonder about Walmart. So right now we got 3 V cards with no hollows in them. Look at these, guys. I don't know if these are real or what, man. Y'all let me know in the comment section. But to me, these cards should be hollow, right? If I'm not too quite mistaken. Alright. Pack 3. So what is that? That's the holographic Floetry. What is that? Floret. There we go. My bad, the lighting's kind of off on my end. Can't really see the words too good. But let's flip them over and see. So there we go. Pack number 3. Number 4, let's get it. We got a holographic Kyurem. And there we go with the VMAX non-hollows again, which is kind of scaring me about Walmart. And I noticed these cards too don't come with the online password, so it makes me wonder. But I'm gonna go check with my local buyer, and if these cards are not real, Walmart will be getting a lawsuit. Cause that's not cool. So we'll be checking with those tomorrow, man, and hopefully they're legit. If not, I feel sorry, man. That's money wasted that I don't like wasting. We got the holographic moon and sun badge on this one, as you can see. Let's see what we got. Holographic Tropius. I mean, not even holographic, sorry about that. I'm thinking about these non-hollows. It kind of got me thrown off a little bit. But as you can scroll through, nothing major. Nothing major, nothing that really sticks out. We're going through one of the worst pull rate packages, so. There we go, that's the hollow out of this one. And some of these Pokemon, I really know how to pronounce the name of it, so I'm not even going to try and look stupid on this channel. But, there we go. See, look, we get another VMAX. That's not hollow. Look at that, guys. It's non-hollow. From Walmart. Look at that, guys. I don't know how to feel about this right now. I feel some type of way, but I don't know. I'm still trying to. I'm itchy to figure it out. Holographic Ricola. So not bad. We got 3 more packs left that we opening today. Holographic Leafeon V. Not bad. And most V cards are supposed to be holographic, right? If I'm not too quite mistaken, like this one. And I have some V cards here in my pack that's not holographic, so we'll go check on those tomorrow. And if they're not real, if my buyer tells me that they're not legit cards, then I will be going back to Walmart to talk to them about that. I need my money back. Alright, we opening up pack 9. Got the holographic Shelvin. Now that one looks legit. But let's see what those V cards can contain in here. See, look, a V card that's not hollow. What's up with that? I don't know what's to that, but in my opinion, all V cards should be hollow. Alright, pack 10. Let's get it. In the comments, please let me know what's up with those, if you feel like those are fake or real. I'm trying to figure it out still, so I would appreciate if somebody let me know. Holographic Salamence out of pack 10. Suicide V, no hollow. And we got a Dracozolt V, non-hollow. Alrighty, folks. Please let me know if these are real or not, man. We're gonna put these non-holographics up, man. To give y'all another look at them, you know. And hopefully these cards are not fake. These are from Walmart, man. So let's see. I'm gonna go check on them tomorrow and we'll see the feedback. But this is the newest Pokemon Collector Chuck. We just did 10 packs straight on the Evolving Skies. Tune in, like, subscribe. Give me some comments in the below section and let me know what's up with these non-holographic V cards, y'all. Peace.